We guide you through how to play music playing Roblox on your iPhone so you can enjoy your favorite songs in the background while gaming. Start by opening Settings, scroll to Control Center, and make sure music or your preferred audio app is added to the controls. Next, open Apple Music, Spotify, or any music app you use. Play your song, then swipe up or down to return the home screen. Now, launch Roblox, and your music will continue playing automatically in the background. If Roblox stops the audio, swipe down to Control Center and press play again to resume. You can also adjust the volume from Control Center without leaving the game. Just remember that you can't play music from the apps like YouTube unless you have YouTube Premium because background playback is restricted. Once everything is set, you can enjoy your gameplay with non-stop music and easily pause, skip, or change tracks whenever you want.